Yeah, I think the workshop was very interesting, very informative, and I wanted to come here because I want to learn more about how I can start my own recruitment agency, because I want to help people, and also I'd like to be my own boss because I've always been entrepreneurial. So with all the information, and Joe was really helpful in terms of all the information he gave to us, and also I've seen all the testimonial as well, and all the result people were able to produce coming through your agency. Yeah, I'm a computer science teacher, and also there's always like shortages in terms of teachers. So me starting my own agency gonna be helpful. It's because I know the way they're charging teachers to come to cover, supply teachers and even to recruit them. So for that reason, I was interested for me to start my own agency as well. My future goal is to expand and try to help people even within my community, but I'm thinking to take it internationally as well, because Joe's explained to us how to do it. So that's my main goal, is to go beyond the UK. So have like an international agency. Yes, I would do, because Joe was very clear in terms of his explanation, and helpful as well. He was able to answer all the questions, because when you come to a workshop like this, maybe you've got some questions and then you need answers for that, and I was able to provide all the answers. So for that reason, I will recommend anybody who is interested, even if they've got some doubts, it's good for them to come, and he's a very friendly, kind, and helpful as well.